Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add clock widget on the home screen in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just go to widgets and then scroll down and look for clock option. Here it is. Then just tap on clock. And that's it. From here you can see 4 kinds of clock widget, and you can add any clock widget on the home screen as you like. If you want to add this digital clock on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen, and it's done. You can see your clock widget has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it, then go to settings option. Now from here you can customize your clock widget. From here you can enable or disable day or night colors. Also, if you disable this option, then you can change your clock widget background. You can set white or black color. You can also increase or decrease transparency from here. Then tap on save, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add clock widget in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.